Hello and welcome to today's parental tip video. Sorry kids, if this gets to your parents, you're going to be doing a lot of extra maths. So some of the feedback I got from parents evening last week was, how can I help my pupil, how can I help my learner at home? And I recommended MathsBot.com, which many of the pupils that are in my class will recognise from starters that we do. So here's MathsBot.com. Just a warning, there are ads on the website. There won't be any ads today because I'm in the school at the moment and the filtering system blocks that. But if you're at home using this, it will use your previous internet history. So if you've been on websites sort of shopping for Christmas presents on Amazon, that might pop up with some suggested sites for you to go to there. So that might give away what you're buying for Christmas. So do make sure that your Internet Explorer history is exactly where you want it to be before you come onto this website. So the question generators, this is where we're going to head to. There is lots of really good stuff on here, but feel free to explore. But differentiate questions within the question generator is what we're looking for. And then for your learner, you can select 5 questions will come up in 3 columns, and you'll see a bit more about that. Let me just do a nice, quick and easy one. So we've got arithmetic 4 operations, which just means plus, subtract, multiply, divide, and then you can set your difficulty up however you want, and you can set your timer up here for whatever time you want. Now, once you hit create questions, obviously leave your learner doing that. Throughout, either you can just wait until the timer's finished to check, and you can click show all answers, which it does there, or you can click an individual answer to see if they're on track, and then of course replace them. So put those questions back. Finally, if you think a question is too easy, like this one, hit this little symbol here and it will refresh the question for you, so something different pops up. Now, of course, those ones were quite easy. You can see that we go from the quite easy to the quite difficult. If we go to min difficulty 8, and that's going to stretch and challenge any pupil. Right, cool. Next thing to look at is just this drop down for the topic, probably one of the most important bits. Don't do random unless you're prepared to sort of check through as you go, because all of these topics are ranging from very, very difficult to very, very easy. So circle stating the equation will be quite a difficult topic. Doubling, i.e. multiplying by 2, isn't going to be very difficult at all. So these are just alphabetical order. You have some of them that are in like little subcategories. So expressions, expanding double brackets, expanding single brackets. Having had a look at our scheme of work, I'd suggest that for year 7 pupils, anyone wanting to help their year 7 pupil with practice, fractions is really, really good. I would suggest they do either addition, subtraction, or division, or multiplication. I wouldn't recommend that they start doing the 4 operations until they're really, really solid with that skill. That percentages and ratio are also very, very useful. So here's our little ratio section, as you can see, and then percentages a little bit higher up. And of course, like what I said to some of the parents was, if there were some questions that were coming up that you didn't quite understand, write that question down, come find your maths teacher. They're more than happy to help you, even if you find someone a bit different to who your teacher is at all times. Just do go and speak to them. Okay, so that is MathsBot. If you find any other good parts of the website that you want to recommend, just put a little comment down in the comment section, and then I can share that with my colleagues and we can have a little play with that. But yeah, good luck and enjoy.